In this segment, we're going to be talking about applying cheese to pizza, different kinds of cheese, and a way to make your pizza maybe a little bit better. In the last segment, we put the sauce on the pizza. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add cheese. Everybody's favorite part. First thing we're going to do is sprinkle a little bit of Romano over the top. Just a nice even coating, not too much. Like I said, oregano is the pizza maker's spice. So we're going to add some oregano. Now, the tricky part about cheese is getting it on the pizza, not too far on the crust, just where you want it. There's a trick to this. If you place your hand in a cup-like fashion at the edge of the sauce, in any way you like, you can't go too far with the cheese. So you're going to make a motion with your fingers, just fluttering gently to spread the cheese. If you find that one place is a little clumpier and you need to spread it, pick it directly up and drop it down. If you try and move it around like this, you're going to wind up smearing the sauce and it's just going to make a mess. So you'll continue around the outside. You can pick little stragglers up there. And we're just going to put cheese all over it. Now keep in mind that the mozzarella cheese will melt. So you don't need a real thick layer of it, especially if you're using a high quality mozzarella cheese. Once we have the outside pretty well coated, we'll just sprinkle some in the middle. And maybe a little extra for good luck.